All right, welcome everyone to another episode of the Daily High. It's so fun to say the Daily High once again because Bitcoin is hitting new daily highs pretty much every day. Let's make sure that everything is working. I am at the moment solo. Matt is on his way to my hotel room. I am actually outside of Tokyo. I am in a little town. So everything should be up and running. We're going straight to screen share. I know there's a window behind me, but I don't care. Nope, wrong button. Here we go. All right. This is the monthly chart. This is absolutely awesome because we are working on the second uh, highest monthly close ever. And if Bitcoin price continues to rise and closes above $102,500, we will close at the highest monthly close in Bitcoin history. This is incredibly bullish. Like I know the environment doesn't feel all that bullish, but the charts are incredibly bullish to me. Not all the moving averages have had a chance to cross over yet, but that's okay. We will get there. The MRI, however, is on a price flip and it is on a red one. In order for us to make this a green one, we will need a new uh, closing high on a monthly scale, which would give us a green star candle and a green two and set us off for another run up. I actually would not mind. It would be great if we close above 102 and a half. What was the close here? Yeah, 102 and a half will do it. A close above 102 and a half will be a green star candle on a monthly chart. The weekly chart gave us a green star candle last week, even though I think this is a little bit of an error. There's something wrong with the data here. But either way, we have a green star this week if it wasn't last week. My only concern is that we are rising a little too quickly without a proper pullback. But the good news is if we do rise all the way into 103, then the pullback should not take us below 92. You see the bunching up of the moving averages right here in this area of 91. And if we go any higher, if we do start to reach that MRI acceleration line, if we start to reach the prior weekly closing highs, we hit some resistance. Also, the weekly MRI is coming as well. I don't want to see us break above 105 this month. I would rather see us break above 105 next month or even uh, going into September. All of that is perfectly fine. Okay. But now we're going to establish some very, very clean support. The long-term moving average on a weekly chart, I mean, this is the 200 period moving average. And this right here, it's kind of strange how, wait, hold on. Oh, okay. The moving averages are the same. So these are the moving averages from Alpha Numerics. Right. Okay. So there they are. So there's Alpha Numerics. Alpha Numerics is now fully in the green wave. Everything is just bullish. I'm going to turn Alpha Numerics for a minute. Here are my moving averages. You can see the long term, the 200 period moving average. We are very, very overextended above that average. Not as overextended as we were back in December, but we are still overextended. This was a beautiful reversal off of an MRI and off of the moving average. So everything is looking very, very bullish on the weekly chart. What about the daily chart? Man, what a breakout with the green star candle. This is great. Kind of really wanted to bring you a video yesterday. We just didn't get to it. I'm sorry, guys. I would have been very, very bullish. Yesterday was the highest daily close in months. You can see that the prior swing high close was 96.9 and the daily close yesterday was 97. We had a new daily high close. We did not reach a new daily swing high on yesterday's candle, but we already did it on today's candle. We are now at the acceleration line, and we do need to close above it, though, because right now it's acting as a rejection. We went as high as 99.5, and we are currently down at 98.7. This is great. A lot of this news is on the back of U.S. states creating a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Weird shit is happening in Arizona, but New Hampshire has also announced that they're going to be creating a Bitcoin strategic reserve. The moving averages, they're going to cross over. It's still going to take them a few more weeks to cross over. You can see the short-term moving average is already above the long-term moving average. So this is the 50. The 50 has already, sorry, that's the 200. You know what? That's the 20. That's the 50, and that's the 128. So the 20 is already above them all. They are all pretty much rising. The 128 is still struggling a bit. Here's the 50. The 50 is going to break the 128. It also needs to break the 200. Once all these moving averages are crossed over, it's going to be awesome. Now, here's a massive MRI resistance line at 102. See, there's all this resistance between 102 and 104. Massive resistance. This is all the way at 106. That's the daily closing high. There's massive resistance up here. I would love to see a daily MRI top or a weekly MRI top or even both. I would love to see Bitcoin continue to consolidate all through this zone and then break out sometime in late June, early July. I don't want to see a breakout this early. A breakout this early would create unsustainable moves to the upside. I would rather see sustainable moves to the upside, and I want to see a nice clean pullback coming in and reversing us from the upper 90s, maybe even the lower 90s. Remember, the higher we go before the rejection, the higher we will go on the pullback. Like the higher we will stay on the pullback. If we are, oh man, Matt's here, but they're not letting him up to my room. All right, I can go down and get him. I'm only one floor up. I'll do that, guys. We're gonna do a pause. You're gonna watch the short-term chart. I'm gonna put this on a 5-minute candle. I'm gonna go get Matt. This will take 5 minutes, and we'll be right back. All right. We're gonna. Yep. I'll be right back. It'll be 5 minutes. Okay. All right, we got Matt. All right, there's the chart. Dude, we hit 98.
Yeah, I know. No, we hit 99.
Yeah, I'm okay. Well, we're at 98 now.
Yeah, all right.
And this is the 5-minute chart. We're just giving people something to look at while I come down and get you, which was super quick.
How exciting.
No, it's great. I haven't looked at the hourly charts yet. Oh, the hourly hit an MRI top, right, and we are pulling back. So we're going backwards now. Here's the 4-hour chart. I don't think this is on an MRI top. Nope, it's on a green star candle. What a breakout right here. Yeah. Man, this was perfect. This was all set up for this breakout. But as I was explaining on the daily chart, we got some serious resistance at around 102, between 102 and like 105. Massive resistance along with the MRI reversal line. We got the green star candle. We can hit the daily MRI top and then pull back to the upper 90s. And then the weekly scale has its own, MRI top eventually in about 6 weeks. I still think we're not going to break 110 anytime soon. Our all-time high is 109. I'm not expecting the break of 110 until the fall.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm more confident than that.
I think we're going up way too far, way too fast.
Yeah.
I mean, at best case scenario, we mimic this breakout. but I should probably go from here. Like, yeah, it's probably from here. I mean, that was the too far, too fast, right? So that was 66%. So, shit, that's high actually.
Yeah, it's high. I reckon we'll burst through, get to like the 125 zone, and then meander into fall.
You're way more bullish than me, brother.
Yeah.
Way more bullish than me. I'll put alpha numerics up.
It's all systems go.
There's the wave. Oh wow, well this is the weekly version, right?
Yeah.
So it's
You have the EXA. Yeah, that's still cooking
on the weekly.
Yeah. I mean that turned out to be the perfect thing to do.
Yeah, the EXA is looking nice, and I don't like the CMF, man. It's a disaster.
Yeah,
disaster.
Yeah, it is actually. Yeah,
this is not. It's not very sound footing, but there's plenty of room to go up.
Yeah,
the MACD is going to cross over next week.
Yeah.
And the RSI is looking very good.
Yeah.
So there are good metrics here, and on a daily scale, what do we got? MACD is looking great, and the CMF is looking great. On a daily scale, it's looking good. It's on a weekly scale, and man, the ETFs.
They've been buying.
They've been buying, man. So actually, remember that 40,000 Bitcoin sale? That's almost like if you add all these up, if you add up the last 4 months, we're only down 5,000 Bitcoin. We can make that up today, literally. But BlackRock is just dominating. Like if you look, just the last 5 days, look at this. BlackRock added 7,000 plus 3,000, 10,000, 15,000. BlackRock added 15,000. Everything else is probably at a negative.
Yeah.
So BlackRock adds 15,000. Everyone else is net negative.
Have you looked at the stock market already in the show?
No. I forgot that exists.
I'm very interested. We're early today, obviously, for all you Americans.
Gold is peaking. Gold is working on a new weekly high close. The stock market, I don't have the cash chart, but here's the futures chart. And it looks good.
Yeah,
I mean, it had an MRI top, 1 to 4 candle correction. If the stock market goes into an extension, and the stock market has its own MRI resistance line right at the all-time high.
I mean, they're parallels,
just like Bitcoin.
They're just.
Oh yeah,
yeah.
Look at that.
It's the same thing.
They even have the MRI resistance line both right near the top.
Yeah.
S&P's is a little higher to the top then.
And we've got less of a way to go, really. Yeah. Maybe not in percentage terms, but.
Have you guys seen ASST? No. Guys, we do need to run. I will pull up whatever ASST is real quick. Oh, it's the SPX chart. ASST. I have no idea what this is. Oh, what the hell is that? Asset. I have no idea what it does. I don't trade charts like this. It looked like a shit coin. And do they cure cancer? What they do?
If you got into it at the low, it looks all right.
No, there's nothing I can do about this, right? That is a weekly scale. Here's a daily scale. No, I don't know what it is.
Right.
There's no way I can catch this. But it's some kind of an announcement, and now everyone knows about it. So I would probably wait and then short it. But it's a sub $5 stock, so you can't short it. Nope, gotta run, guys. Oh, what happened to BIF? You mean BF? BITF. Bitfarms. What happened? It's doing okay, but guys, I don't know about miners these days. Anyway, we gotta go. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. There's Matt.
Go Bitcoin.
Bye, guys.